Hey, Mesa Verde. Just want to go over the draft sheet for 2022. It's going to be a lot quicker than last year because you all know how to use it. So now it's just a matter of just tweaking a couple things. I think it's actually going to make things easier for you than more difficult. So let's pull this over to my screen so you can see it. Okay, so same as last year, here is a list of all the roster players alphabetically. So if you are curious whether a player that's already in the NFL is currently on a Mesa Verde roster, you can either do Control F to search them by name, or you can just scroll down if you want to find them alphabetically. Here's your guides and resources. There's no calendar, so I might even take this out of here right now. What I did instead of the calendar is I just included it in front of the pick, which you can probably see just from right here. So this is the date that you are asked to make your pick. This is the pick number. This is the manager that's responsible for making the pick. And then, of course, this is where you input your player. We're going to stay with the format of doing a pick a day for just the first 2 rounds. I know at the end there I was getting a little sluggish. You know, when we got to rounds 3 and 4, people mostly wanted to get to the point that they can make their pick and kind of wrap it up. So, and I agree. It's just got a little slow at the end there. We ended up speeding it up anyway. So it's 1 a day for round 1, 1 a day for round 2. And then at round 3, you'll notice there is an AM pick and a PM pick. So what we're asking you to do so that you don't miss your deadline is if you have an AM pick, like this one here, Chris, on Friday, May 20th, from 12:01 a.m. Until noon, you have that window to make your pick. And then starting at noon, or 12:01 p.m., on Friday, May 20th until midnight, Sten would have that window to make his pick. Now, I am going to ask that you make your pick within your windows. Otherwise, we'll just say the deadline was missed. You guys did everyone did pretty good with that last year. It's just, I will try to send you reminders. I think I'm even busier this year than I was last year. Very loose guarantees on the fact that I can send you a reminder on the day of your pick. So you might just want to keep this handy. That's actually why I didn't want a separate calendar link. I wanted you guys to have everything right here so you can just pull up one spreadsheet and say, okay, when are my picks? Let me put them in my calendar. Set a reminder in your phone, whatever you need to do so that you don't miss a pick. So that format of having 2 picks per day will remain all the way through the 3rd and the 4th round, at which point the draft is all over. So starting as soon as you get this video, as soon as you get this spreadsheet and this video, then we are all set. You can start to make trades if you want to, move up or down the draft board, whatever your strategy is, you can start to execute that. Just remember, if you're going to do a trade, I just need to hear from both managers. So, text or email is fine, but just let me know that you have executed a trade, what's involved, and I need to see the same thing from both players. So, if Bob trades out of spot 4 with Brad in spot 7, you just each put what the components of the trades are. I just check to make sure they match up. As long as they match up, we go ahead and complete the trade, and then it's set. So if you guys have any questions between now and then, please let me know. But I hope that it's easier for you. These are the resources. I know I mentioned that before. And here's the final rosters from 2021 in case you want to see screenshots of that, but it's all contained right here. Any questions between now and Saturday, please let me know and we'll get them worked out. Otherwise, good luck to everybody. I hope you have fun. I hope it's a good draft for everyone involved, and I'm excited to see what players go where.